in grade 4, my mother left Jamaica. She told me so she'll go overseas to give me a better life, a better future. I cry. Never want that. Never want her to go. But she had to go. She sent me back to live with my grandmother in our old primary school community. By my turn 14, I ran and left my primary school community. I was in high school at that time. I ran because my primary school gym coach, teacher who live in the same community, did an essay me. So I run away. Tell my mother, no one ever so I run away. She told me to go back. That's why I left you. I left you with the family them. Go back home and put you. So I not do it. But I stay with one lady. So she have 7 years. She heard the story. She not happy with it, so she said to come.
Here we pause to
this man,
a milestone.
Chief Brigade Commander for all of the cadet right across Jamaica.
Should be proud.
To the worst to me. For the whole of the time when the other lady had, my mother never happy with me. She threatened me. She told me she not going to pay for my CXC them. She turned me into a walking madman. Every day I dip on the road, I walk like a zombie in my uniform. Going to school, do my CXC, SBAs them. Get my good grades in my SBA them, but still I fret over if my CXC I could pay for. Because I don't want to go back. Him see me, I walk up and down on the road and drive down on me and ask me, where I go? I say, I go to school, sir. You don't look like you're going to school. Come here, car. So I hesitate, but I'm going to see him because he's a police officer. I say, give me your mother number and give me your number, I give him. I don't hesitate, a police officer. He says, as a matter of fact, I can't go to school. I don't say nothing. He's a police officer. He drive around in a circle and he say, your face don't look right. I say, because my mother says she not pay for my CXC, them she want to go back. I'm coming to where I come from, at Chediga Park. And I don't want to go back there because my primary school coach had trouble me. He said that sound like anybody that got gone to school. And he carry me and drop me at school. I'm going to go to school. When I go home, the lady who I stay with calm mother until I say, next time she come to Jamaica, she need to make sure so she come see who she is and who I keep her son. Because I did it for a while now till me all of them, I like a CXC time I come up and she don't know. Anyway, she my mother come at the same time, same year. She do some medical for the baby them what she have up now. Me start for my future more because the 2 baby come in our space at 1 back at 1. So I come to the medical. When she come, she throw hand sanitizer on the woman and like the woman hand out her hand for shake her hand. She throw hand sanitizer on until I say I'm not clean. The woman's vexed about it, so when she go home she tell me some half a leave. I'm traumatized. I'm afraid. Because I only have one option and I go back. When my mother put me, I don't want to go. I beg her, please. So she have no choice. My mother disrespect her. When my mother come, she too pregnant with a baby on her waist for hear nothing at all. She was just in her own world and her own thing. This man, the head of the cadet and everything, he takes him and says, I go live on the road, I don't know what I go do. And then say, that's the time I know say I'm going to have cadet because I just think him was a police. And then say I'm a cadet this and cadet that. And then can get me one cadet place for stay. And then come pick me up. When he pick me up, he drive go way round a Palisades Road. At the darkest part of Palisades Road run towards Port Royal. And stopping on the middle of Palisades Road. Dark, pitch black, midnight. My heart start beat out of my chest. My heart start run left me. Automatically I feel like hear about police that kill people. Dead me, I got dead. Him take out him gonna ask me if he ever seen yet. And then him take out him BlackBerry phone and him put in on me and I show my son youth. And ask me if I know none of them, and say no. Then he take back a phone and start driving and say everything good, man. Everything good, you got alright. But I'm afraid to see him here because him drive go on a Palisade road in the dark and parking in the middle of the road and take out. Him drive go over one place on him, Olympia Crown. And tell myself to go in and then come in right back on the same time. Tell the woman, say, I ain't son. And he carry me up at the room. Put it on my head. And he say, me go kill you now. And me go call her mother and tell her, say, something happened to you and she have to come to Jamaica and me go kill she. My foot then get weak, my body get weak, everything get weak. Did not care. Him pressure me. Pressure me. And him pressure down whole line body upon me. Is that the worst experience I ever have? Come here, running from my coach with essay assault. He might touch me in an inappropriate way. And the man literally intimidate me and me. After I'm done, hear my situation and me I go through my mother and everything. Help me come for the man, guys. Help me come for him, guys. You run off cadet, but whole heap of people put name control. Help me, guys. And put my head. My head. You look at 14-year-old youth head. How much 14-year-old in the cadet to him control?